Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello Virgo placements. This is your reading pagdating sa person na iniisip mo. Okay, ngayong month. Oo. So, syempre, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light, and sa mga naghahanap din ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And yeah, don't forget to follow our second YouTube channel na Love Letter, no? And di ba ang daming end? Ang ating mga items is all available. Yes. Okay, protection from evil eye, love bracelet, granter, and cord cut. Okay? So, let's see. Who is the person on your mind? Tingnan natin yung situation ninyo. Situation nyo muna ng tao. Tingnan natin. Ano bang meron? Situation ng mga Virgo. Ace of Swords in reversed. There could be, sabihin natin hindi magandang communication. Pwedeng wala. Okay? Ace of Swords in reversed. Page of Wands. Maraming gustong sabihin, maraming gustong gawin pagdating sa situation. Meron ditong gusto ng pansin. Meron ditong parang nangangailangan ng pansin. What's with this Page of Wands? Tingnan natin. Six of Cups. Your ex. Okay. Some of you, this is your ex. Ito ha. Sa past, okay, sabihin natin may mga issue na hindi na fix, hindi masyadong na-address, hindi masyadong nabigyang pansin. Meron dapat nangyaring, sabihin natin, pagkakaayos, na sabihin natin parang na-swept lang under the rug. Hindi na pag-usapan, hindi na nabigyan ng clarity or what. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords inversed. Tingnan natin sino ba to aside sa may energy ng past dito. Anong meron sa kanya para alam mong siya to? Anong meron dun sa person, Virgo? The Nine of Wands in reversed. Okay. What's with that Nine of Wands in reversed? Six of Pentacles. The Tower. So, this is a past person talaga. The Five of Swords. Yeah. Sinukuan ka nito. Okay. Meron tong sabihin nating hindi nakuha or hiningi na hindi na ibigay. Parang may ganon. Some of you, umalis ito or nagkaroon ng separation kasi hindi na fair. In general, hindi na fair yung connection. Okay? Some of them, pagdating sa pamamera, because Six of Pentacles is pera, sabihin nating tingin mo sa kanya is hindi siya fair pagdating sa pera. Okay? Parang may nangyari na lang ng pag-walk away dito. Nasabihin nating walang closure or walang pagkakaintindihan. Something like that. So, anong emosyon ng taong to? Let's see. Sa'yo, syempre. Seven of Wands. There's tension. Feeling the tension. There's blockages here. Seven of Cups. Some of them, sabihin nating inaalisan ka na, nilalayuan ka na sa sabihin nating sa ayaw mo't gusto. Okay? Kung alam mo man o hindi. Some of them, may chance na kumukuha na sila ng option. Wala na yung focus, or sabihin natin tinatanggal na nila yung focus pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, the Judgment in reverse. Empress. 5 of Swords. Some of them, they like, attractive people. Okay. So, that's channeled. They're blocking you energetically. They're blocking you. Some of them, they're still confused sa kung anong meron sa ngayon. Hindi nila alam kung anong gusto nilang gawin ngayon. Some of them, they're looking for, sabihin natin, ibang person, ibang energy. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. That's their way kung paano sila mag-detach, I guess. So, what is their next action towards you? They're blocking you right now. They're saying no to you. Let's see. 4 of Swords. This is silence. Thinking of you, yeah. What's with that 4 of Swords? The Hanged Woman. Detaching. Moving on. Being silent. Okay? Ayaw nito ma-stuck sa'yo. Yeah, the 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Ayaw ma-stuck sa'yo. Death. They're like, talaga eh, cutting you off. Okay? I don't know. Kasi parang nakikita ko sa situation, sabihin natin, hindi na fair, hindi na balance, hindi na patas. There's injustice, parang may ganun. So, bakit pa ito ilalaban? Bakit pa ito i-fix kung hindi naman na balance? Some of you, nagkaroon kayo ng pagbabalikan nito. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse, Page of Wands, 6 of Cups. Pwedeng may nangyaring pagbabalikan pero biglang nawala rin. Kasi the Ace of Swords in reverse, that's talking about energy ng confusion or lies, secret, mga ganyan. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, the 9 of Wands in reverse, telling me na pwedeng meron ditong trust issues or what. Yung parang hindi na pwedeng pagkatiwalaan o hindi na kayang pagkatiwalaan pa. So, bakit pa? Something like that. Let's see. Outcome / advice for you, Virgos. The 3 of Wands. The 9 of Cups. Okay, you have to heal. Okay, because your person is healing. They're healing. They're choosing to heal. Death in reverse, 2 of Cups. This is a strong connection though. Okay, na mahirap layuan, mahirap alisan. Pero kailangan. Okay? Somebody is still waiting, still expecting something. Okay? Queen of Swords again. The truth. Nothing but the truth. 8 of Wands in reverse. Could be, ito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi nagkakaroon ng, sabihin nating, clarity sa situation. Yeah, kailangan ng clarity, kailangan ng sagot pagdating sa sitwasyon na to. Yeah, nandyan yung unfinished business. Kahit wala yung World in reverse, kahit wala yung mga cards dito ng pertaining to unfinished business, yeah, nakakakuha ko ng ganun dito. Meron ditong hindi na isang naiayos, meron ditong parang na-live na lang. Yeah, meron ditong parang bahala na, parang ganyan. Yain na lang yan, parang ganun. Okay? So, healing. Hanggat sa tingin ko, hindi pa kayo tapos na ito eh. Yung taong to. Yeah. Somebody still expecting eh. Na may mangyayaring maayos sa sitwasyon. You're confused. Your person is confused. Even though, yeah, they're looking for another energy options. Pero, yeah. Okay? I don't know. Pwedeng may chance na revenge nila yon eh. Pagdating sa'yo. I don't know why. What else? Let's see. Virgo. What else? Ano pa ang meron? So, this is like another person. Oo, another person ng mga Virgo. So, kung di ka nakaresonate dun sa isa. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, let's see what else. Situation ng mga Virgos. Okay. The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong nasasayangan. Six of Swords in reverse. May nangihinayang dito. May mga nagre-regret. Ako nakukuha. Pwedeng may regrets pagdating sa situation. Kasi parang meron ditong mga nasayang na oras nga. Panahon, emosyon. Hindi naman nangyari yung mga dapat mangyari. Hindi naman natupad yung mga dapat matupad. Situation. Okay? Anong meron sa person mo, Virgo? Anong meron sa kanya? Sino ba to? Para malaman mong siya to. Anong meron? The Ace of Wands. Pwedeng sabihin natin LDR kayo nitong taong to. Malayo siya sa'yo. They're into sex. Yeah. Some of them. Two of Wands, Universe. Marami kayong plano ng taong to. Sa totoo lang, yeah. See the star. Marami kayong plano, maraming pangarap. The Nine of Cups in reverse. Kaya, yes. Hindi pa natutupad eh. Wala pang natutupad. So, pagdating sa situation, somebody's like, may mangyayari pa kaya dito? Matutupad pa kaya yan? Andyan yung maraming pagtatanong. Pagdating sa tao mo, siya na ba talaga yung para sa akin? Maniniwala ba ako sa kanya? Mag-give in ba ako dito? Whatsoever. Kasi something sabihin natin hindi nag-work out or hindi nangyayari. Dan, yeah, parang parang unfulfilled wishes, parang mga ganyan. Nasasayangan na lang ako ng oras, ang tagal na nito, mga ganyang bagay. Simpleng ganto, simpleng ganyan, sabi niya, gagawin niya, pero hindi naman niya ginawa. Parang may ganon. So, there's doubts. Okay? Doubts. Some of your regrets. What is their emotion? Let's see. What is their emotion for you, Virgo? The Hanged Woman in reverse. Yeah. The King of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them, they're not ready. They're not ready to be responsible. Hindi pa sila ready na talagang mag-commit. Okay? The King of Pentacles, sabihin natin, may pagka-self-centered yung person. Pwedeng inuunaw niya muna yung sarili niya. Okay? At the Nine of Cups. Pwedeng yung mga pang-sarili lang muna niya, yung inuuna niya. So, may chance na parang nasasabotahe, no? Or hindi natutuloy yung mga gusto mo, pangarap, or plano nyo. Kasi parang inuuna muna na yung kanya. Yeah. Three of Swords in reverse. Three of Pentacles. Sana walang options dito, ha? Sana walang options. Yeah, sabihin nating energy ng third party. Again, palawakin natin yung third party. Could be studies, work, vices, friends, okay, situations. Yeah, could be third party involved, or sabihin natin yung talagang alam ninyong third party. That is why. Kasi parang hati eh. Or could be sarili nila mismo yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi nila magawa yung mga pangako. So, kanya-kanya yun. Sukunin nyo lang kung anong inyo. Their next action towards you, let's see. Meron na ba siyang tutuparin? Meron na ba siyang gagawing hakbang? May makikita ka na bang improvement? Let's see. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Why? The Hierophant. They're not ready. They're not ready. Pero nandyan yun eh. Nandyan pa rin. May sabihin ito parang mayroon ka pa rin pangahawakan. The King of Wands is here in reverse. Some of them, they're like mabulaklak magsalita. Mabulaklak magsalita. So, mahuhook ka. Talagang ma-touch ka eh. Kung makikita mo to. Talaga, sige. Parang nakikinig ka. So, may sasantabi mo yung mga sabihin nating yung mga importante ring bagay pagdating sa buhay mo. Kasi parang sa kanya ka maniniwala eh. Focus mo kanya. Parang ganon. Siyempre. Ikaw ba naman pangakuan eh. Lalo pa ng tao na ginugusto mo. Aasa ka dun. Meron ditong pinapaasa or meron talaga sabihin nating umaasa. Hindi ko naman nakikita na gagawin. Medyo malabo. Yeah, the Eight of Cups in reverse. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Wala eh. Kanya-kanya pong dahilan kung bakit hindi niya kaya. Or hindi pa niya kayang tumupad. Okay? Oops! Let's see. Outcome/advice for you, Virgo. Knight of Pentacles. Stepping back. May narinig ako, step back. Pause. Halt. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Huwag masyadong mag-expect. Okay? Huwag masyadong mag-expect. Kasi kapag nag-expect, doon tayo lalo maapektuhan, doon tayo lalo masasaktan if ever. Huwag masyadong mag-expect. Ayun yung parang sinasabing tumigil ka muna sa pag-expect. Okay, limitahan mo yung sarili mo na mag-expect doon sa kanya kung ano man. Hindi mo kailangan ma-stress. Kasi na-stress yung iba sa inyo. Kasi you're waiting. Expectation, sabihin nating minsan, lalo na, depende sa tao. Hindi po ba? Kung pwede mo ba talagang pagkatiwalaan or sa tingin ko, ang dami ng sablay dito eh. Ang dami na. Yeah, the Fool in reverse. Ilang beses mo nang ginawa to sa kanya. Ilang beses mo nang nagawang mag-expect, magtiwala. Pero paulit-ulit lang. Puro pang sarili lang po kasi yung nakikita ko dito. Some of you, mas madalas yung tinutupad niya yung pangkanya lang. Okay? Tinutupad lang niya yung pangkanya. So, sinasabi, advice is, huwag masyadong mag-expect. Huwag mong gawing, huwag mo i-stress yung sarili mo. Okay? Huwag mo i-stress. Iwasan mo rin yung paggagawa ng mga scenarios, like fake scenarios. Okay? Pagdating dyan sa kanya. Sabihin natin, ganito na yung naisip mo. Wala pa naman. Yeah. Diba? So, yun lang. Okay, may nag-flip. Nine of Wands in reverse. Drop mo muna daw. Oo. Nine of Wands in reverse. Huwag muna. Lalo na kung bago-bago pa lang kayo. Kung bago-bago pa lang iba sa inyo at nangyayari na tong ganito, puro pangako. Huwag muna. Anyway, it's up to you. So, let's see all signs. Aries through Pisces. Aries. Right time to make a decision with this Aries. Taurus. Clarity, answers, closure, some of you. Communication. Gemini. They're into you. Physically attracted. Cancer. They want a repeat. Leo. They like you. Coming forward with the love offer, I guess. Virgo. Feeling, yeah. Sabihin nating upset. Dismayado. Meron ditong parang na-ignore. Feeling ignored. Feeling left out. Yeah. Libra. Parang feeling nila, or sabihin natin, you see this Libra as somebody na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo all in all. Parang ganyan. But yeah, they can. Scorpio. Gusto pa rin ni Scorpio. Gusto ka pa rin niya. Sagittarius. There's blockages. There's tension. Merong gusto ipaliwanag si Sag sa'yo pero they don't know how. Capricorn. There's blockage pagdating sa connection, I think. Aquarius. Hindi sila lumalayo. Yeah, still attached, some of them. Pisces. They're jealous. Feeling jealous. Yeah, 3 of Swords. Some of you, there could be third parties involved. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below yung link. Thank you. Bye.